Hi beautiful, it's Emmy. Welcome back to Every Day with Emmy. Today I'm just going to give you a quick tip about a handy little gadget that I found a few years ago and have been using ever since. If you're like me and your hormones began to change in your 40s and certainly in your 50s, I'm going to be 57 tomorrow actually, I began to get a lot of kind of a peach fuzz type hair on my face. And so I know a lot of women believe in waxing and just going through even electrolysis and all of that for hair removal, but I didn't want to take that kind of time. I didn't want to go to that sort of expense. So I began to research and found this little gadget. It's called a Finishing Touch Yes hair removal tool. And I'm going to show you how to use it. It's very, very simple. And by the way, you just take the lid off like this, and it comes with two different heads. I never really used this smooth one for anything. I used the one that has kind of a jagged edge, but as you can see, it literally cannot cut you in any way. So you just turn the button on, and when it starts blinking, it's ready to use. And then as soon as you touch your skin with it, it begins to work. And you just literally run it along your face like this. So easy. It doesn't hurt. You can't nick yourself. And it removes all that unsightly little peach fuzz that we get growing on our face in our 50s. And what's nice about it is it's very safe, it's very gentle to use, so if you have sensitive skin like I do, it doesn't cause any bumps or irritation on your skin. I got mine on Amazon, and if you're a Prime member, it's $24.95, no shipping. I will make sure we have a link down below in case you want to order one. Finishing Touch, yes, hair removal tool. Oh, and by the way, it comes with this handy little plug, so you can charge it. Sometimes I get irritated with the things that you can only charge on your computer, so I was happy to see that this came with an adapter, so you can actually just plug it into the wall and charge it. So if you need a simple and inexpensive hair removal system that lasts forever, I've had mine for a couple of years now, find this on Amazon, use it, you'll love it. Impossible to nick your skin with it. Oh, and by the way, you can use this on your bikini line, you can use it on your legs, anywhere. So that's my tip for today. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.